Today we got a beautiful recipe. It's the Stroopwafel Apple Crumble.
Ooh, that sounds
Beautiful,
really
right?
good.
So let's start with coring the apple.
Of course.
So say roughly 2.5 apples. Let's keep the skin on just to get that some texture as well. It's similar to a crumble what we make,
Okay.
right? But this one crumble you put more sugar. In
Okay.
the streusel you don't put more sugar. That's the balance you try to get it.
Oh. Make a note of that. Okay, so I put the flour in there and I'm gonna
Yes.
go with the
Then
sugar.
the sugar, yes. And you could put the salt now.
I'm gonna go ahead and add the butter.
So now once we have the streusel ready, getting ready, the apple sliced, we will start with the compote. I'll take the apple concentrate. What we are going to do is, we will add the water now. You could put the sugar in. Then I'll add a touch of cinnamon. Everything mixed thoroughly.
And my streusel is pretty much done. Everything was thoroughly combined,
It's
right?
got
The
that
texture
grainy
is
texture, right?
grainy texture.
Put it in. So you could see that it's getting that slight golden color. So this is when we now add the apple.
Okay.
Now you could see it gives that slight green color. See, now we will cook it for 2 minutes just to make sure that the apple has that a slight bite to it. Smell that beautiful cinnamon coming
caramelly.
through. Exactly, the
Who
cinnamon, the
does
sugar.
not like caramel apples?
Now
Did.
we can put the
Streusel
streusel.
part.
Yes. That's what the recipe says, right? The
That
Stroopwafel.
that might be just the best part. Here, one for you, one for me.
So you can get that small bite size.
Yeah.
Just evenly distribute it up there. And some.
All right.
That's
In the
good.
oven for
Beautiful.
10 to 15 minutes.
10 to 12, but again, as long as it's cooked and it's golden, then it's good. And we have our Stroopwafel Apple Crumble.
It smells delicious.
This is where you take this and you stop talking, right?
Bite.